Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware and making the first connection. Plug a known good Cat5e or Cat6 cable into your PC's Ethernet jack and the router or switch. You'll hear or feel a click. Once done, disable Wi-Fi from the taskbar to force the system to use the wired link, because Windows prefers the fastest active adapter. Make sure the router is online and DHCP is enabled, so your PC can request an IP automatically for immediate network access. Next, verify Windows recognizes the cable and assigned an IP. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then select Ethernet. You should see a connected status and an IP4 address like 192, 168, X. Set the network profile to private for trusted networks so sharing and firewalls behave predictably. If no IP appears or the status is limited, click Network Troubleshooter or run ipconfig/renew in PowerShell to request an address from DHCP and observe any error messages for further steps. Finish by confirming end-to-end connectivity and addressing common faults. Ping a public IP like 8 and open a website. Success means DNS is working. If intermittent or no connection persists, open Device Manager, uninstall or update the network adapter driver, then reboot. This resolves many Windows 11 driver conflicts. If problems continue, swap the Ethernet cable and try a different router port to isolate a bad cable or switch port. Hardware isolation is the quickest troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.